Okay, today guys we will be doing a review on the sling strike. So, what are you doing? You're doing a video?
No, I'm not doing a video.
Are you fancy? So, we will, I like how it shoots. I thought it wasn't going to shoot far when I got it, but it shoots pretty hard, right Luke?
Yeah.
Right Luke?
Sure.
I just feel like,
Ooh, what government agency should see? Oh, okay. I got me a project to work on. Conspiracy theories found.
Alright, okay, so we will do the fire like this. If I can do this.
Come on, Landon, you've got this.
Can you hold the camera?
Of course I can, buddy. Just shoot at the PlayStation sign so we can get more views.
Okay.
Good job, bud. Send us a free PS4. All right, here you go.
I heard you. Alright, so I may be making another video, maybe not. So see y'all guys tomorrow. Bye.